In English, we often talk about things that happened in the past. To do this, we use the past forms of the verb to be, which are was and were. These words help us describe people, places, and things that existed or happened before now. They are simple to use once you understand when each one fits. Let's begin by learning how they work. The verb to be changes depending on who or what we are talking about. In the past tense, we use was with the pronouns I, he, she, and it. We use were with the pronouns you, we, and they. For example, we say I was happy and we were excited. These simple forms help show that something happened earlier in time. Was and were describe how people or things felt, behaved, or existed in the past. Use was when speaking about one person or thing and were when speaking about more than one. For example, I was tired yesterday. She was at home last night. You were very helpful, and they were happy with the result. These words help express how something used to be. Was and were also describe what someone or something looked like or what qualities they had in the past. For instance, the weather was cold and windy. The house was big and old. They were friendly and kind. My parents were patient. Each of these sentences tells us what things were like at a previous time. Was and were help tell us where someone or something was in the past. For example, I was at school yesterday. He was in London last week. You were at the park this morning. They were in the library after lunch. Each sentence places a person or thing in a specific past location. To say that something did not happen or did not exist in the past, we use not after was or were. For example, I was not at home yesterday. She was not ready. You were not late. They were not busy last night. In conversation, we often shorten these forms to wasn't and weren't. This helps us say that something did not happen before now. To form a question in the past tense, move was or were to the beginning of the sentence. For example, was he at school yesterday? Were you tired after work? Was it cold last night? Were they at the meeting? Asking this way helps us find out if something was true in the past. In English, we often give short answers instead of repeating the whole sentence. For example, was she tired? Yes, she was. No, she was. Were they at the concert? Yes, they were. No, they weren't. Was it interesting? Yes, it was. No, it was. These short answers sound natural and are common in everyday conversation. Use was with I, he, she, and it. Use were with you, we, and they. Was and were describe past states, conditions, or locations. For negatives, use was not or were not. To make questions, move was or were to the beginning. Practicing sentences aloud is the best way to remember when to use each one. Soon, you will use was and were naturally when speaking English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.